Hi, I'm John Perez, founder of CRMCoPilot.Ai, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI agents with CRM Copilot to find leads for your business and send out emails directly within the Copilot tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is search for my prospects, and so I usually pull up a saved search, small business owners, CIOs in New York. I'm going to pull up my small business CEOs search, and this is going to give me all the small business CEOs in America, and that's what you currently have here. We see that there's about 9 million of them in this search. Now, what I'd like to do here is send each one of these individuals a personalized AI email intro introducing my company, and I want to do that automatically and have an AI agent do that for me. So what I'm going to do is pull up my Do Browser extension. It's a Chrome extension, does wonderful things within your browser, and I'm going to use this AI agent to trigger the initiation of sending emails to these prospects right here within the Copilot tool. So what I'm going to instruct it to do is tell the agent to essentially send a personalized email intro to each one of these emails, each one of these records. So send an email to each one of the CEOs displayed in this screen using the personalized AI email button in CRM Copilot. Once you generate an email intro, click Send the Email and repeat this process for all the CEOs and records on this screen. I'm going to also let it know not to send more than one email. Please do not send more than one email for each person. So I'm simply doing the right prompting to make sure my AI agent has the right instructions. And once I do this, instead of me manually clicking in my software to send out these email intros, which is the traditional way, my agent is now going to do it for me. So I gave it the prompt, and you'll see it in action. On the right-hand side, you're going to see the AI agent think about all the things it needs to do, and then it's going to process this outreach directly in the browser. So you see here, it generates the AI email intro. It begins to send the email. This is all using AI, and now it just sent out email. And now it's going to continue to go to the next record.